I'm so tired of playing with this bow and arrow. I'm gonna give my heart away, leave it to the other boys to play.
Stopping early classes, your information is seatbelt fastenings and you're seated. And like your month's technical maintenance. Here's my minute at all times. For your convenience, while you're looking at the flight attendant back.
Whew, made it. What is up, you guys? Good morning and welcome to a brand new day. My name is Adam, as always. Man, it feels good to say that. Christina and I made it to Palm Springs. Here, we're going to Coachella this weekend. However, we're doing things a little bit differently than normal. Is we actually rented a house on the Coachella grounds. We're doing this kind of luxe style. So we wanted to give it a shot. We've never been to Coachella. We're gonna, kind of go. We went all out, ditch the kids at grandma's. Bet we're gonna meet all the celebrities, right?
We're gonna meet a lot of celebrities. I'm not kidding.
Eminem and I are gonna be like buddies. This is like the VIP Coachella experience.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, also famous, number one desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one. That's how I roll. I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, also famous, number one desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one, yeah, that's how I roll. I got change to throw, I don't care about no gold. Better, so much better, flipping incredible. Always on the show, so they know that I still got it. And I never feel sorry, yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world.
The house is absolutely nuts. Let me give you a bit of the backstory. Why Christina and I are in this giant, how many bedrooms does this thing have? 4 or 5 bedrooms. There's only 2 of us staying here. So essentially, when I heard Eminem was headlining, I had to come. We had to be here, and I started looking at places to stay, what to do, where to go, and I just kind of assumed that everyone would want to come to Coachella. There's 20 of these houses available. This is the street. Less than 20. Maybe there's only like, I don't know, 10 houses that get rented every year. I really wanted to stay in one of these houses. I thought it'd be cool to come with all my friends to have, have a big blast. These houses sell out insanely fast. You gotta put a deposit, non-refundable, and kind of pay for the house straight away. So naturally, that's what I did. I just kind of thought, yeah, my friends will want to come. That'll be a lot of fun. And I booked the house. But turns out people have jobs. They can't just leave on a whim to go to Coachella. So it's just Christina and I. Don't get me wrong, I'm pretty stoked to be able to spend the time here with Christina. It's gonna be a blast. I mean, check this out. Beat that, especially when our room is like literally right there. So I'm gonna get to wake up every morning and just walk outside straight into the pool. Let me tell you guys, these guys do it right. This is luxury to a T. We have the main master down here, nice big room, beautiful ensuite, and then of course, nice closet to put your things. I have 1, 2 Eminem hat. I have this Mathers, this one limited edition Detroit Tigers jersey with Mathers on the back. Sweatshirt released by Eminem. Sweater. I mean, you could say I'm a stan. Kitchen, everything is sweet. They sent us a list. It looked like this. House stock. We could have put anything on there. So we chose naturally Lucky Charms, bread, Eggos, syrup, Dr. Pepper, LaCroix. All the essentials. The garage. Stocked with bikes. Those bikes are ours to use for any time you want. All in all, you guys, this is the way to do it. I've been told that the house isn't even the half of it. So while the house is pretty slick, I think the perks that come with being in the house make it even better. We are literally across the street from the grounds. There's gonna be a golf cart or shuttle van that takes us from our place right here straight across the street to Coachella and back as many times as we want throughout the day. We have these special bracelets. They look like... Nope. Nope. This and this. One of those bracelets is for the little area in here. It's kind of a gated community. The other bracelet is for, it's called an artist pass. Guest pass, not an artist pass. It's a guest pass. There's like this artist compound that we can go into. We get kind of the VIP kind of section of Coachella. There's kind of these little trails backstage that we can travel to and from with golf carts rather than walking from stages. It's just, I'm not too sure how it's gonna look on the weekend, but don't worry, I'll keep you guys tuned in. So make sure to subscribe, and then you can kind of check out the weekend, you know, subscribe. Tons of sick Coachella swag. We walked in and the guy was like, hey, we had extra t-shirts, I hope you don't mind, we just kind of put them on the table. I don't know if they, it was only small and medium here, like Christina's a small, I'm a medium. So I don't know how they figured that, maybe lucky guess, maybe, maybe I linked up Facebook when these necklace fans, and I think Christina showed it best. It's bloody hot here, you guys. 95 degrees right now, 36 degrees Celsius. Like, that's too hot to even survive. Nice time to bring us the fans. We got the water bottles, we got the bandanas because it's really windy. Everything is well done. We had 2 people that kind of greeted us, brought us to the home. This weekend is definitely turning out to be sick. All right, you guys, that is it for now. It is now Friday morning. Check this out. Pool outside, calling our name, probably a little breakfast. Thank you guys for watching. Last night, Christina and I, feeling a little crazy. We hopped in a golf cart, went across the street to the grounds. They had this kind of setup thing. At Hi Adam OB. Subscribe, hit the button so you guys can see kind of what this whole weekend looks like. I'm pretty stoked to be sharing it with you. I'm not sure if cameras, I think Christina said cameras weren't allowed in there. I mean, every single person has a camera in their phone, so I'm not sure how they're gonna monitor that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I will see you guys later today, and I am pumped. Who's headlining today?
The weekend.
Pumped to go see The Weeknd. Catch you guys later.
That's how I roll. I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, also famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got change to throw, I don't care about no gold. Better, so much better, flipping incredible. Always on the show so they know that I still got it. And I never feel sorry, yeah, top of the world.